is January 3rd, 2014. It's the first time we're hanging out in the new year, and we're at Steak and Shake again. We ended the year with Steak and Shake, and we're beginning the year with Steak and Shake. This time we have Berto.
You scared the crap out of me.
I did?
Yeah.
That's because you're transferring, and you shouldn't leave us, because we're going to be sad.
Yeah, but it's going to be closer to my house.
Closer, but farther away from your friends, who really matter.
I might just try to get another job.
Pedro's here. We missed him. Say hi.
Hey guys.
Hey. Pedro has his hat. Now we all match. And Lauren's here. We missed you.
Oh.
And Jessica, the one and only. She's here all the time.
I'll come back. It's almost done.
Can we just get a drink?
Oh snap! That looks amazing. Last time we saw you, Lauren, we were moving Nancy out of her apartment. That's how long ago it was.
Oh, really?
Remember? That's when I drove Nancy's car, and you thought we were gonna die,
because
Jessica.
you were filming when you were driving.
Hey, and look, we're here now. I didn't kill us.
Same
people?
Same owners.
Wait, was it then, or was it when
So
we went
what did
to
you do
Chili's
that
and we got
time,
lost?
Oh yeah, I forgot you were there for that.
It's
Yeah, somehow you guys got lost. Was she with you?
Just
It was me and you? No, it was Susan.
and Susan.
And Susan, and you didn't remember the way to Courtney, so you got lost.
Touch point?
Yeah.
I thought I knew the way.
But you knew the way to Chili's.
You're right.
You knew the way to Chili's in the end, but not Courtney's. Berto, what was your favorite thing that we did in 2013?
What was the favorite thing?
Jessica screaming, "We're gonna die."
I don't even remember when you hung out with us. Oh, remember we celebrated Bald Hot Dog's birthday
Yeah.
with an ice cream cake?
Yeah. Remember
You
that
were
my
there for
birthday?
that? Oh yeah, and we had cake on your birthday.
So what do you think we'll do in 2014?
In 2014, we're going to do some
Cedar Park.
amazing things.
And here's some
Cedar Point. In 2013, Berto
So,
wants to go to Cedar Point.
So Pete, what is it? Pinpoint?
What was my favorite? I know my favorite thing. I know my favorite. Wait,
point.
okay. It's either me
I'll
falling
have to
into
break that.
the river. That was pretty entertaining.
Wait, when was that? Oh, it's rafting. I was like, wait, what?
You guys didn't see a video of it.
Whitewater rafting, Jessica fell in the river. That was her
pretty
favorite
entertaining.
moment of 2013.
Oh no, it could also
So
be
you see
when we did that
dead
paintball
people?
or what?
Oh, laser tag, extreme trampoline.
What, have
The
you seen
tie-dye,
the
thank
scary
you.
stuff?
Oh, tie-dye wars.
Tie-dye
Yeah.
wars. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Paintball.
You haven't seen the scary
That was pretty entertaining. We could go paintballing.
We could.
Suggestion.
That's a suggestion for 2014.
Hardpoint?
Laser tag.
Laser tag. We did that a few times. That was fun.
We need to go to
Any suggestions, Lauren?
No, it's
go karting. Go karting.
Go karting Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Go karting if you're free. Tuesday, you're working.
Oh, he worked there when Toby was there?
Enjoying that, Berto?
Yeah, maybe.
So, Pedro, Six Flags this year?
Oh yeah. Yes.
Remember you thought it was like, what was it, Pearl Harbor?
Front row left at Pearl Harbor. That was 2012. Hey, we didn't know Justin then, but we went to Six Flags on Justin's birthday, August 26th. Years later, we find out my birthday is August 22nd. That's when we went to Six Flags. Pedro has a season pass this year. We are going to go every day.
I would go every day.
If I lived close, I would.
Oh yeah.
I'll just sleep in my car, go the next day too.
Take a bus.
Take a
It's
bus. Yeah, true.
Yeah,
Do you like roller coasters, Lauren?
The pace bus.
I do.
Good, you can come with, because Olivia doesn't like roller coasters. We're trying to convince her. Oh, there they
Oh, is that what it looks like?
Oh.
Do they have like a Flash Pass season holder? No.
Yep.
For Flash Pass?
Yep.
So you can get a
I can
discount or
totally
something?
Pass as your well. Come on.
You totally look Spanish.
Let me see. Do I want to go down that aisle?
No, don't trust her.
Pinpoint?
You'll just get in trouble in the end.
Anything for free passes.
Anything for free stuff.
I'll just be like.
I'm excited.
I'll just be like.
I'll be like, just go.
You got this.
Right? That'd be funny.
Just like, yep. That's
Like, here it is.